With hours to go before the polls open for the March 5 by-elections in the constituency of St. Andrew Northwestern and the Norman Gardens division in the East Kingston and Port Royal constituency, the Electoral Office of Jamaica EOJ is reporting that all is in full state of readiness. Voting will take place in 112 polling stations in the St. Andrew Northwest and 52 polling stations in the Norman Gardens division. The polls will open at 7 tomorrow morning and close at 5 in the afternoon. The preliminary counting of ballots will take place shortly after polls close. In a statement this morning, the EOJ said its team has been working diligently to ensure that all necessary materials and supplies have been prepared and distributed according to plans, and training has been completed for all 420 election day workers. The electronic voter identification system will be used in both elections. There are 13,517 registered voters in the Norman Gardens division and 30,216 in the St. Andrew Northwestern constituency. In the meantime, the ruling Jamaica Labour Party JLP on Saturday wrapped up its campaign activities ahead of tomorrow's by-election in St. Andrew Northwestern, with members, including the party leader and Prime Minister Andrew Holness, reassuring the people in the constituency that Dr. Nigel Clark is the right man for the job. The People's National Party's PNP's Keisha Hale is going up against Dr. Clark. TVJ's Shamela Mitchell reports.
Mere hours before voting begins in the by-election in the St. Andrew Northwestern constituency, and the Jamaica Labour Party JLP remains confident that its candidate, Dr. Nigel Clark, will be victorious. At a JLP meeting in the constituency on Saturday, Audley Shaw told supporters not to waste any time in casting their ballots early.
Monday morning, very important. Don't take anything for granted, you hear me? But while you get up before cock can put on him drawers Monday morning and come out, come vote early. I want the numbers to be big. I want Dr. Nigel Clark to win.
Party leader and Prime Minister Andrew Holness reassured the people that Dr. Clark is the right man for the job.
I have known Dr. Clark for more than 20 years, and I know that he is a man who is very serious about his words. When he makes a promise, he will tell you, I don't make promises. He makes commitments. And he is a man of great integrity and will work very hard to fulfill his commitments.
Meanwhile, Dr. Clark reminded supporters why he decided to run on a JLP ticket.
I'm here to fight on your behalf for your roads, for your water, for your garbage, for opportunity, for prosperity, and no weapon formed against us shall prosper. And every tongue that rises up against us shall be condemned.
And whatever the outcome of Monday's by-election.
So, after all is said and done, after everybody talk and say what they're going to say and who promised to take to the road, one thing is certain on Monday. Are we still a win? Are we still a win?
Are we still a win? Are we still a win? We still a win.
Shamela Mitchell, TVJ News.